Welcome to V.Spec channel. In this video, let's take a look at what will you get when you buy a MiniZ auto-scale white body, and I'll show you how to get it working with MiniQ. When you buy a white body or an unpainted version, it comes in a plastic bag like this. What I have here is the Nissan Skyline R33 GTR V.Spec. First, we have body, window, body mounts, which are standard for every auto-scale body, but the detail parts are different from one to another. This car comes with 1.5 offset wheels, number plate, badges, wing mirrors, windscreen wipers, spoiler, and exhaust tip. On to the next bag. This one has light buckets and indicators. They are all painted. The light buckets are for 3mm LED. And finally, there's a manual included. This body is 494mm wheelbase, and the details are absolutely amazing, just like a scale model. And like a plastic model, you have to paint it and glue everything together yourself, or maybe have someone else doing it. Anyway, the point is, it is an unfinished body. I am going to paint just a few things like the radiator grills and front lip, and I will leave all the rest unpainted. Now let's talk about the cost and where did I buy it. Normally the auto-scale body are perceived to be expensive, but they actually aren't if you know where to look. I bought mine from banzaihobby.com and it wasn't expensive at all. I can say that it is about the same price of a plastic model of equivalent size. Each body has different price, depends on what details or parts it has. The R33 body in this video is one of the most expensive white body available, because it has a lot of details with 4 wheels included, and it was 2,280 yen or $20.43 include shipping. Some of them are even lower than $14. One quick note, I want to tell you that I don't have any sponsorship from any shop I mentioned in my videos. I just tell you where I buy all my stuff at the lowest price possible. Now, on to how to use this body on MiniQ. To use an auto-scale body on a MiniQ, first you have to put the front body mount on. This is the same as on MiniZ. Then you have to trim the side body mounts on both sides, otherwise they will not fit, especially on the motor side. It may seem like the battery side is fine, but if you don't trim it, you will have to spread the body a lot when you put the body on the car. You might also have to trim the servo mounting bracket if the body is narrow. After a lick of paint, and it is done. To put the body on the car, it is the same as putting it on a MiniZ. First, put the front body mount in, then spread the side and slide the car into the body. One last thing before I end this video. I know I am going to get this question in the comment, so I am going to answer it right here, right now. The question is, will a MiniZ body fit on WL Toys 120F like the K989 and K969? The answer is yes, but only a few bodies will fit on that car. First, the wheelbase is 98mm and the shock towers are very high. Also, the width of WL Toys is very wide, so the wheel offset has to be lower than the recommended. The only body I know that fit on the WL Toys is the Audi R8 Le Mans, part number MZN161. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.